I'm watching this. I'm like, what is going on? And then you just hear someone in the background is like, Lydia, is that enough? Is that enough, Lydia? Have you had enough? And I'm just like, who is that?
How does he know his lady's
How does
first
he know
name?
her name?
That rules, though.
It was like I woke up
Some
to that.
random fucking wheelchair Karen trying to defend a target for no reason.
I woke up to that and I was like, what the fuck is going on in America? I was like, I thought everybody was at home. I thought we were all supposed to be at home.
That was the pop off for a fun summer.
Yes. Pop off. Pop off.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say all that. I should have opened with the reading of the scripture from the book of Pop-Off.
Every time I pop out, it pop off. Pop off. YKTV got the top off. Top off. Private estate, I'm a mob boss. Mob boss. Every time I pop out, it pop off. YKTV. Godson, they call me son, ain't no son of me. Ran 100 M's, bitch, I'm running things.